Good morning, everyone. So, in last session, we were discussing what is hormone, target cells, receptors, then what are those classifications. So, hormones can be classified into two. First one is steroid, second one is peptide hormones. So, in this session, we will be discussing peptide hormones. They are comprised of chains of amino acids. Like most proteins, peptide hormones are synthesized on the ribosomes of the endoplasmic reticulum of endocrine cells, and it can be stored in vesicles in endocrine cells until they are needed at some later point. They do not really pass through the cell membrane, that is, they are referred to as water soluble. Receptors for these peptide hormones are found on the cell surface of their target cell. But whereas in case of steroid hormones, the presence of receptors vary. It can be on the nucleus, many other places. Now let's see what are some general actions of the hormones. Hormones cause cells to change. Second one is it can result in changes in gene expression, and hormones can result in enzyme cascades which control our metabolism, and hormones drive our reproductive system. See, it shows the action of non-steroid hormone. See, here we can see in the A, non-steroid hormones cannot pass through the cell membrane. And when it comes in case like in the second stage, the hormone binds to the specific receptors on the cell membrane. And in third, what happens? The hormone receptor complex activate adenylate cyclase within the cell. Then from there, the adenylate cyclase form cyclic AMP. Then this cyclic AMP activates the protein kinases, that are the enzymes that lead to the cellular changes and hormonal effects. Now let's see some specific actions of hormones. Hormones, what they does. First one, fetal development and differentiation, cell growth and cancer, metabolism, cardiovascular function, renal function, skeletal function, reproductive function, immune function, and central nervous system. We have heard about the term homeostasis, but let's see what is the definition of this. Homeostasis is nothing but it is the maintenance of the constant environment that too internally, and the parameters which are regulated temperature, osmolality, pH, nutrient levels, hormone levels, etc. And it is very critical for cell viability and proper functioning. Loss of homeostasis results in disease or death. And it is maintained by feedback mechanisms, primarily negative feedback mechanism. See, this is how the negative feedback mechanism works.